Hello everyone, you're welcome in this video. This is the part 2 of mathematical induction. But I will recommend you to understand this video. You have to watch the mathematical induction part 1 because in that part I have discussed the whole theory of mathematical induction. Also in that video we have done some question of summation of series type. But in this part I am going to discuss divisibility type questions. It means we will be given any statement like in which we have to prove that this is divisible by this. So, and I want to remind a few things like how we have to go with mathematical induction. First basic step, that is we have to establish the result for n is equal to 1. We have to show that the statement is true for n is equal to 1. Then induction step, in induction step we have to start with the assumption that we will assume that the statement is true for n is equal to k, and we will show that the statement is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. So now for question, keep watching. So we have a question to solve. By using mathematical induction, prove that 4 to the power n plus 15 n minus 1 is divisible by 9. So this is called statement, and we can also write like this Pn. Pn means statement. What statement is given to us? So that is this number 4 to the power n plus 15 n minus 1 is divisible by 9. It means this statement is saying that whatever be the value of n, that is you can take any natural value of n, that is 1, 2, 3. Always you will get a number which is divisible by 9. So we have to establish this result by using mathematical induction. So we will start from basic step. So we will perform basic step. So in basic step we have to prove the result for n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. So it means we will put n is equal to 1 in the given expression, that is 4 to the power 1 plus 15 into 1 minus 1. So now 15 plus 4, 19 minus 1, 18. And obviously this number is divisible by 9. And which is divisible by 9. So that is statement is true. Statement is true for n is equal to 1. Now we will perform induction step. So induction step will always start from the supposition. So suppose, or we have to assume that let statement is true for n is equal to k. So if it is true for k, then how can we write? That is 4 to the power k plus 15k minus 1 will be divisible by 9. That is this number, if divisible by 9, then it will be some multiple of 9 and maybe any integer. So I can write like this. This is the first result. Now I have assumed that the result is true for n is equal to k. Now I have to prove that the result is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. So for k plus 1, so we can write that we shall show that statement is also be true for n is equal to k plus 1. So for k plus 1, first of all I will write k plus 1 values, that like 4 to the power k plus 1 plus 15 k plus 1 minus 1. So I can write like this 4 to the power k into 4 to the power 1, then 15k and then plus 15 and minus 1. Now because the result 1 is true, so I can find the value of 4 to the power k from first. So I am showing you here. From first I can find the value of 4 to the power k, which will be 9m then minus 15k, then minus minus plus 1, because this result is true. So in place of 4 to the power k, I can put this value. So in place of 4 to the power k, I can write 9m minus 15k plus 1, then plus 15k, then 15 minus 1, that is 40. Now simplify, 4 9s are 36m, 60k plus 4 plus 15k plus 14. So now 36m, now collect k terms, minus 60k plus 15k, that is minus 45k, and 4 plus 14, that is 18. So from this expression I can take 9 as a common. So now you see it is a multiple of 9. It means it is also divisible with 9. So we have shown that the result is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. So now for one more question, keep watching. Now we have a question. Using mathematical induction, prove that this number 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. It means for every natural number 1, 2, 3, whatever you are putting here, you will get a number and that number will be divisible by 11. This is what it is, it is stated. Now we will do first basic step. So in basic step, we have to show for n is equal to 1. So I can put n is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1, this is power. So I can solve. This is 10 to the power 1, then plus 1, which is 11. And obviously this number, by putting n is equal to 1, we are getting 11, and which is divisible by 11. Which is divisible by 11. So statement is true for n is equal to 1. Now induction step. So in induction step, first we have to suppose. Let it be true for n is equal to k. That is, if it is true for n is equal to k, that is 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. So we have to find the value of how, like 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 will be 11m. So I can find the value whenever I need it. Now we shall show that it be also true for n is equal to k plus 1. So for this I have to take k plus 1 in place of k, that is 2 into 10 to the power 2 into k plus 1, then minus 1 plus 1. So now I can write like this, 10 to the power 2k plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. And also I can break it like 2k minus 1 and plus 2 separately, that is 10 to the power 2k minus 1 into 10 to the power 2. Because in multiplication power will add and then plus 1. You know what is the value of 10 to the power 2k minus 1? That is 11m minus 1. And 10 square, that is 100 plus 1. Now we can multiply. So we will get 1100m minus 100 and plus 1. So 1100m minus 99. So 11 can be taken as common, 100m minus 9. So you see 11 is a factor. It means this number is also divisible by 11. So if it is true for n is equal to k, then it is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. So this way we can establish the result for all natural numbers. So now you can try the question. So keep watching my videos. Thank you very much.